Here we go. We finally have our first real look at the upcoming Nothing Phone 2. Now we know exactly what design changes we have and if there are more cameras than before. Well, spoiler alert, this is the Nothing Phone 2. And you might be thinking this is looking very similar to the previous model, but I assure you there are quite a bit of new changes with this design. First up, you can see we have a new dual LED flash introduction compared to the single LED flash we had on the Phone 1. Then we have some changes to the design of the glyph light interface if you see around the camera lens. It's also a bit changed around the wireless charging area. Plus we now have the red record button in the strip form on the top right corner. According to Onleaks, one of the new premium changes to the Phone 2's design is the introduction of a curved 2.5D glass for both front and back. This is gonna make phone feel incredibly handy when you're using it with one hand. And yes, we still have two cameras on the back, likely main wide camera sensor and the ultra wide angle lens. Instead of having a mediocre zoom, Nothing is basically going for a flagship tier main and flagship tier wide angle lens where you get features like HDR RAW along with 4K 60fps recording across all lenses. As for the front, the design is looking very clean, just like last year's model. We have a punch hole on the top left corner. It's still one of the coolest front design of any smartphones in recent times. Of course with 120Hz, but likely it's not gonna have the LTPO tech, especially at the price at this phone is coming at. Yes, speaking of price, the Phone 2 is likely coming around $500 range, which makes this a pretty sweet deal considering you're getting a near stock Android along with 3 years of major OS updates. So there we go, this is the Nothing Phone 2 with now having a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip along with an even bigger battery than before, coming in the month of July officially. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.